jalani hari-hari tanpa beban, berkarya tanpa batas, tanpa sebatas kewajiban. Nikmati tahap proses tanpa lelah dan lakukan. Gak perlu basa-basi, langsung gas dan langsung jalan. Mikrofon tetap on dalam level standby on, monitor juga on and be ready to play on. Cekis mundur suara gelombang para pendengar, angkasa on the mic and say hi, apa kabar? Modal kami, pola produktif yang utama, bukan fiktif, banyak kanal tapi tak sama. Satu nama, bahkan di seluruh Nusantara, dan tetap ada numero uno di udara.
Kamu lagi dengerin bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
Still on 105.4 FM Pro 2 RRI Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu, karena kita Indonesia. Hai, halo teman Pro 2, good afternoon.
I'm so happy today, Kakak Iren.
I'm so happy like my
T-shirt
color, yeah,
Yes.
red mean
Red.
brave and cheerful.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Even though today is raining today
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Singaraja, this is our first time having rain, teman Pro 2, but we will have, what is that? We're still happy and we'll one hour ahead we will talk with you, teman Pro 2, with a specific topic.
Yes, that's
and
right.
we will go through
East Bali. Yeah,
one most
okay.
favorite places to visit in Bali. What is that?
Really?
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay.
And you will really amazed, and after listen us, and then you will have some note. I have to visit this place.
So where we go, don't go away, hold on, teman Pro 2, still in English corner.
Listen us to know the word more.
И в чем же правда, я не знаю, правда. Если брать за правду, всегда будет правда. Всегда придем к тому, чтобы было чисто. И если ты болван, мы тебя зачистим. И в чем же правда, я не знаю, правда. Если брать за правду, всегда будет правда. Всегда придем к тому, чтобы было чисто. И если ты болван, мы тебя зачистим. Если ты прожил как второй брат, значит все не так уж и плохо. Просто будь достойным, просто будь достойным. Если ты прожил как второй брат, значит все не так уж и плохо. Просто будь достойным, будь достойным. И в чем же правда, я не знаю, правда. Если брать за правду, всегда будет правда. Всегда придем к тому, чтобы было чисто. И если ты болван, мы тебя зачистим. И в чем же правда, я не знаю, правда. Если брать за правду, всегда будет правда. Всегда придем к тому, чтобы было чисто. И если ты болван, мы тебя зачистим.
RRI Digital. Nikmati kemudahan interaksi, partisipasi, dan kolaborasi dengan RRI Digital. Interaksi, dengar dan saksikan siaran langsung kami, daftarkan akun kamu, dan mulailah berinteraksi di setiap program dan konten kami. partisipasi. Kreasikan konten kamu dengan berita, podcast, vlog, film, musik, dan playlist. Kolaborasi, kami mengajak berbagai komunitas untuk berkembang bersama melalui digital platform. RRI Digital sekarang menghadirkan terobosan baru, workspace platform dan online learning platform dengan fasilitas-fasilitas unggulan, monitor impact dan outcome, meeting online, video conference, dan library. RRI Digital menghadirkan fitur-fitur untuk peningkatan interaksi, partisipasi, kolaborasi, workspace, dan learning. Yuk, segera download RRI Digital.
Teman Pro 2, jangan ganti frekuensi ya.
Sore ceria, bikin sore kamu lebih berwarna.
Teman terbaik kamu.
Thank you.
Well, that's me, yeah. Okay.
Okay, as we told you before,
Yes.
that we will go to East Bali.
Yeah, this is the gorgeous place, yeah.
Yes, as beautiful as us.
Yeah.
Oh my
okay,
God.
thank you.
Okay, we call it Kintamani.
Kintamani,
Yeah.
yes.
In Bangli Regency. You know what is for me, ya, Kakak Iren, one things that come into my mind when I heard about Kintamani
Kintamani?
is the cold. The
Oh,
coldness,
yeah,
the fresh air.
Yeah, the weather.
Yeah, and then the second one is about the Mount Batu.
Okay, Mount Batur.
Yes.
Yeah. And then the dogs, yeah.
Oh yes, the dogs. Oh,
Special,
yeah.
special
Kintamani dogs is popular in Bali. Yeah.
Popular.
Within local dogs in
Dogs,
Bali.
yeah.
Okay, we don't talk about dogs. We
Yeah,
will
yeah,
talk
yeah.
about what is make Kintamani is really interesting to visit. Yeah. But before that, you know, Kakak Iren, there are several history. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Talk about Kintamani
Kintamani,
itself, because before some what's that, some writers and also some from the historical told that Kintamani actually come from two
What is that?
words,
Okay.
Kinta and
And
money,
money.
yeah. Kinta means what's that, the
What is that?
lovely, the calmness, and then the people will admire when they visit this place, and then money is mean the place, based in the
Okay.
story. So
Cintamani, ya.
Cinta and money. Cinta is meaning love,
Love, yeah, okay.
lovely, and then happiness. So when they what's that? We hear about Kintamani, it tells us that the people who inhabit that place will find happiness,
Okay.
calmness, something like, because the surrounding is really peaceful area, and also you know, it's still, we can say that Kintamani one of the place in Bali that still have what is green environment,
Yeah, that's right.
and that's why some of people who already come to Kintamani, they are reluctant to come to their origins.
Orange, yeah,
That's
right.
So I think we also have found is that some same feelings when come to Kintamani. Do you ever come to Kintamani, Kak Iren?
Yes, often.
Yeah, often,
Yeah.
And what do you feel? Is it same feeling as the name derived from Kintamani itself?
Yeah, that's right. Like that, yeah, because it's the air is very what is it makes relax,
Relax.
especially from the air.
Because it's really different with Singaraja,
Singaraja,
Singaraja
yeah.
is really
It's
hot,
hot,
but when we come to Kintamani, we have a cold or fresh
Yes,
air,
air.
something like that. And then you know, teman Pro 2 also who already visit this place Kintamani, you will really amazed with the caldera or the what's that? We call it
What?
the lake,
Yeah.
Batur.
Batur.
That from the Gunung Batur or Batur Mount eruptions. That actually this mount is still active ya Kakak
Active,
Iran,
yeah.
and have erupted for several times teman Pro 2, and the last eruption is in 2000.
2000. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But and then what do you feel or maybe you find the interesting things when you come to Kintamani?
Especially in several times, there are so many coffee shop, especially there, yeah.
Yeah, that's
So
already
famous, and then you can see the beautiful what
View.
is it view,
Yeah,
over
scenery.
there from the coffee shop. That coffee shop, many coffee shop that show the interesting, gorgeous view over there, yeah.
Yeah, that's why now Kintamani also what is that? Famous with restaurants that offers
Offers.
mountain view, yeah, that's the interesting thing. So when you come to Kintamani, don't forget to maybe visit one of a cafe shop or
Yeah.
restaurants, and then you will see closer to the mountain of
Batur.
Batur views, and really relaxing enjoyment while you have your meal, something like
meals,
our
yeah.
coffee, your favorite meal, something
Maybe
foods.
you can also take a selfie,
Yes.
make a content,
Yeah.
etc.
And besides that, another feeling that you will enjoy or comes when you visit Kintamani, is a romantic place. Why? I will know after this, Kakak Iren.
Okay.
So stay tuned with us ya.
I love this one, and romantic.
Lama juga ya datang bus jemputan kita.
Sabar, nanti juga datang.
Yeay, busnya udah datang. Yuk, naik.
Kak, tunggu bentar.
Loh, kenapa? Ayo naik, ini tasnya kan udah kakak bawain.
Itu, kan ada rombongan anak-anak sama lansia mau naik bus juga. Kita tungguin bentar ya. Udah selesai Kak, yuk naik.
Wah, keren juga adekku nih. Bangga deh. Tidak lupa mendahulukan anak-anak dan lansia saat menggunakan fasilitas umum.
Hehe, itu juga kakak yang ngajarin kan?
Kamu lagi dengerin Bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu. Sore
Welcome to Pro 2.
What's wrong with you,
Oh
Chris?
my God.
Yeah.
I'm so nervous today, Kakak Iren.
Okay.
Because we will talk about romantic one, ya.
Especially you remember someone, I think.
Oh, maybe yes.
Okay.
Okay. Today we still talk about for you, teman Pro 2 who is that just stay tuned with us. We talk about Kintamani, one of famous places in Bali.
Yes.
That that offers what's that beautiful scenery, and you know Kakak Iren nowadays, Kintamani be one of chosen place, to have
What is it?
what is that? Photo session for
Oh,
wedding.
for pre-wedding.
Yes, for pre-wedding, because one of the sport in Mount Batur,
Okay.
especially for you who like what is that, the edge of the area, around the mountain and caldera, something like that, is offers a good views, especially for sunrise. And and today also many people or foreigners and also local visitors really enjoying having off-road around the Yes, the Mombasa
Mombasa.
itself, and yeah, some of them, and we also have our friends that already, is that try this off road, and they told me that it's really fun, and yeah, they have to stay at night, yeah, and then in the early morning, they start to enjoy the beautiful view of sunrise.
Oh my
Can you
God.
imagine,
Yeah,
Kakak
yeah, yeah.
Iren, how beautiful the view is, because we can see mountains and then
Betul. The
clouds, yeah, some
clouds.
clouds, and then the sunrise.
Sunrise.
Oh my God, it's really romantic. I
Oh
think, yeah.
my God.
And now I just imagine that to visit that place.
And we'll marry again. To make a after wedding or what? What will you
Post-wedding,
do?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, but yeah, it will be really enjoyable when you visit best place with your
Someone
special,
special.
yeah, a special one. So yeah, you can take a note. Kintamani is one of place that you can choose when you visit the Bali, yeah, having holiday here, or maybe for you teman Pro 2, who have still where will I go to spend my weekend, something like that, yeah. Yes, choose Kintamani,
Just go there. Okay.
and don't forget
What?
ask us to
Okay.
join with you.
Okay, we will accompany
Oh,
you.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Pro 2 FM, teman terbaik kamu. Teman terbaik kamu.
Pro 2.
Kita pikir cinta adalah jawaban dari insecurity kita. Kita pikir kita spesial bagi seseorang. Kita pikir melupakan masa lalu adalah pilihan yang tepat. Dan kita pikir lainnya yang selalu hadir. Walau semua pikiran itu sering berakhir kekecewaan yang sama, kita tetap tidak belajar dan akhirnya mengulang kesalahan yang itu-itu saja. This is the reason why I wrote this book. Itulah yang ada dalam pikiran sang penulis, Ardi Muhammad. Supaya kita bisa sadar apa yang salah dalam hidup kita. Mengakuinya, memperbaikinya, dan menjalani hidup lebih baik lagi. What's So Wrong About Your Life adalah buku yang ditulis oleh Ardi Muhammad. Buku ini diterbitkan tanggal 5 Desember 2019. Buku yang terdiri dari 180 halaman ini cocok untuk siapapun yang sedang mencari buku self-improvement. Buku ini penuh dengan gaya bahasa ringan, namun isinya tetap penuh dengan makna.
Literasi Esensi Buku. Persembahan Radio Republik Indonesia Singaraja.
Kamu lagi dengerin Bikin sore kamu makin berwarna. Pro 2 Singaraja, teman terbaik kamu.
To know the word more.
This is our last session.
Yeah.
Oh, and we are going to talking about still Kintamani, teman Pro 2.
Yeah, but it's relate to the
Yeah.
water.
Water.
You like water?
When I what is it?
Thirsty?
No. Swim to the world. I will change to mermaid.
Oh my God! So you are afraid to touch the water?
Like a goat.
But Kakak Iren, I'm not sure I will have a kind of such swimming there in the Kintamani. Because I afraid it's too cold. Yeah. But yeah, it's fresh for maybe for we who come from what is that hot environment for, like Singaraja or Denpasar, and then coming there, and then we have a good maybe feel refreshed when visit Kintamani. So we can try, I think, because this is also a good spot to visit when you come to Kintamani.
Kintamani, yes.
It's called
What's that?
Toyabungka.
Oh.
Toya mean
Toya means
it's derived from Balinese word. It means water.
water.
Yeah.
Okay, toya is water.
And bungka is coming from
What is that?
the what is that, the water come from some spring, yeah. It's around the mountain itself, yeah. Bungkah means like that's that, yeah, terbelah, like that, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is best place for you, especially you want to what's that? Want to try the cold water in Kintamani.
Kintamani,
Besides having what is that beautiful view, yeah,
View,
around the mountain.
From the mountain, okay?
Yeah. And you know, Kakak Iren, in Toyabungka itself, the visitors, yeah, what's that? Also can enjoy not only the cold water, yeah, but also it's available for hot springs.
Hot spring.
So you can choose which one do you prefer, hot or cold, yeah.
Cold, yeah. It's
And-
not about the coffee hot on cool, yeah, but it's about what is it? Swimming pool,
Yes,
yeah.
swimming
For swim,
pool.
yeah.
And also besides the another thing that make this place is so special is because the place is near the we call it near the lake of
lake.
Batur. So we can see the view of Lake Batur, Taman Pro 2, when it's really close, yeah, to the expanse of blue lake water right in front of your eyes when you swimming. And yeah, like neighborhood yeah,
Okay.
between Toyabungkah and also Lake
The
Batur.
lake, yeah. Oh, it's so special.
Yeah, so
it's special,
special.
yeah.
So I think it's not it's the best choice. I think when you come to Kintamani, you will explore so many things there. Yeah.
Yep.
And also besides Kakak Iran, if we talk about water or Lake Batur,
Batur,
yeah, we also have one special that come from Lake Batur. Is that
What is that?
avis?
Oh, okay.
It's related to the special foods
Okay,
there.
yeah, the food.
Food is we call. I think you. That's also your favorite foods, isn't
yes,
it?
yes. Mujair.
Mujair, nyat-nyat ya Kakak Iren. We call it.
Okay.
One of special traditional foods in
Yeah,
Bali,
in Bali.
especially in Kintamani.
What is it? Along the road, yeah, also in
Yes.
Kintamani, you will see ready mujair nyat-nyat.
Yeah, I
like
think
that,
it's
yeah.
the most was the main menu in
the main
all
menu.
restaurants that you told before, Kakak Iren, in
Along the road.
Kintamani, yeah. I think offers mujair.
Mujair nyat,
Whether nyat-nyat or maybe fried or
Fried.
what's
Yeah.
grill, something
Yeah.
like that, yeah. With spicy what's that, spices, yeah, a lot of rich spices.
Spices.
So if you want to taste the spicy one, you can add the sambal, yeah.
Yes, and
That's
plecing.
yes,
yeah.
plecing. Oh my God, you make me hungry now. And this is really what's that interesting to eat even
Yep.
like this with weather and raining. After rain, yeah, we feel something like want to eat something hot or warm, yeah.
Yes.
But yes, that's our notes, yeah, today, yeah. If you come to Kintamani, you can try or visit the what's that, the mount, if you like hiking, or maybe just take the try off road there, yeah.
Yep.
Because it's also can be a good thing to choose, and then go to some coffee shops or restaurants around, and then go to Toya
Toya
Bungka,
Bungka, and
there.
then the last one
Swimming.
is
Taste the food.
taste the food.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
it's a perfect combination.
Perfect journey in Kintamani.
But the one thing that you have to bring, don't left, is your wallet.
Yeah, wallet, because there are so many shop also, yeah. For
yes.
the what is it? Souvenirs.
And also our local fruits and fruits also available there.
Okay, like orange, yeah.
Ya, Kintamani ya, orange Kintamani, jeruk Kintamani, and others fruits, local fruits there.
Okay.
Okay, I think I will have it in
enough?
in early next year. I think,
What?
yeah, next year.
Not next year, yeah. But
Next year, because
Okay.
already tight schedule
Yeah,
until
okay.
the end of the year.
Okay, Tris. So let's go, yeah. Let's end this session because you already cough, yeah. Because yeah, the time is up, teman Pro 2. So we are going to close this session and see you next week in English Corner.
Listen us to know the word more.
Thank you.
Sembahyang puji Trisanya dulu yuk.